Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 6th of May. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, and transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, looking at Bitcoin, we're holding, obviously, we haven't really seen much of a retracement here. We've been seeing a bit of one. And of course, as I mentioned yesterday, we've got a daily RSI 5 sell signal that's fixed. We could actually, just with a bit more retracement here, actually make the possible near miss targets here. And I've got the same thing on Ethereum. So it could be that these are actually going to play out without delivering much of a retracement. But I have to say, looking at the overall equities chart, this is the other canary in the coal mine that I was mentioning, my various canaries that I was looking at on the equities, on the futures webinar. And this is the other canary. And to be honest, this isn't looking promising for going a great deal higher. This canary isn't dead, but it's certainly looking a little unwell. We've broken the rising channel. At the moment, it's starting to look a bit doubtful that we're going to reach the even the minimum target at 101. So if we actually go on down another day, which we could on equities as well, and then head back up beyond that, we might find that we've lost the daily sell signals, which would be good for going higher. But I'm still a bit skeptical about equities going higher. And if equities, what we've not been seeing, it's something I've been talking about, and it's something I'm going to be doing more writing about in the next week or two. I'm talking about the possibility that this might become a flight to safety alternative to fiat currencies, but we haven't actually seen any real evidence of that yet. It is a real possibility, and I'm thinking it might happen in the next few months, but there's no evidence at all it's happened yet. In terms of this rally from the lows, look at the relation here to Apple here, but Apple's a pretty good example of what's been happening on equities, and you can see that we've still been going lockstep on the way up. Even if it topped out earlier. But you can see there's still quite a fairly strong correlation, but from the start of this rally, it's been a very strong correlation. If equities turn and go back down, which they're probably going to, then this is going to go with them in all probability, or at least we've not a shred of evidence suggesting that won't happen. Okay, Solana, we didn't get a sell signal here. We're testing the daily middle band at the moment. We could see another day below. This would be the first day of a break below the daily middle band if we see it close below it today. And in that case, of course, the obvious next day, if you're going to reject back up, is the next day. So watching that with interest. In terms of the double bottom target here, I'm very doubtful, but what I would say is I'm liking a retest of the current highs on equities, and I'm also liking it here. This looks like a bear flag or a bull flag or a bull triangle forming. I think it's a pretty good chance that's exactly what it is. But would that get us anything beyond a retest of 156.98? Well, that's another story. I'm doubtful about that. At the moment, I'm not seeing any evidence for it, and I think we're likely within days of, at minimum, a significant consolidation on equities or a significant retracement, but we may well just be looking at straight up at new lows on equities. So we'll see. On the daily chart, we've got an RSI 5 sell signal fixed here too. That's actually getting pretty close to the possible near miss target now. So if we can hold that into the close tonight, that would actually kill off this sell signal just because it's pretty much played out. In terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence. I would love to see it move up and reach this declining resistance trend line, but at the moment, there's no real evidence it's going to do so. Could we see a retest of this high here? Actually, the high's here. I don't know why it's not showing that, but up and about the 1870 area, yes. I'm doubtful about getting up to the obvious target, which was this trend line, and is now in about the 24th area. All right, great. In that case, that's a wrap. Hang around for a minute, Doug. So in that case, I will end the recording there, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.